Hi guys, Oliver here from Bright Young Brains. In this video, we are working on financial mathematics, specifically how to use the effective rate interest formula. This question says the following. When John purchased his car, the bank offered him a loan at a nominal rate of 13% per annum compounded monthly. What was the effective annual interest rate that he was required to pay? So this kind of equation literally just needs you to make use of the effective rate interest formula. So this is what the effective rate interest formula looks like. There we go. So with an equation like this one, we know that our value for I norm is equal to 13%. And then our value for M, because it's compounded monthly, our value for M has to be equal to 12. So we're literally just going to throw these values into our calculator. Now, because this is 13%, you can write it as 13 over 100, or you can write it as 0.13, depending on whichever one you prefer. So we have to make this the subject of the formula also. And then we can put everything into the formula. There we go. So all this into our calculator. I usually firstly write it to 4 decimal places and then afterwards just multiply by 100 so we have a percentage. There we go. Moving on to the next question. So obviously videos in this playlist, you can click all there.